Before we continue reading, we need to review the questions that we need to answer on this page. Number 5. Name 2 things the Mycenaeans learned from the Minoans. And number 7. How did the Dorian invasion help spread Greek culture? By the mid-1400s BC, the Mycenaeans grew wealthy. They built a strong military and fought in the Trojan War. The Mycenaeans conquered the Minoans and controlled the entire Aegean Sea region. Later, the many Mycenaean kings fought one another. Earthquakes destroyed their palaces. By 1100 BC, the civilization had crumbled. What Mycenaeans adopted from the Minoans? Built ships, used sun and stars to navigate seas, worked with bronze, worshipped Earth Mother as chief god. A group called the Dorians invaded the Greek mainland. Historians call the following 300 years a dark age. Trade slowed down. People made fewer things to sell. Farmers grew enough food only for their families. As the Dorians continued to push into Greece, people fled to other areas. They took Greek culture with them. Finally, by 750 BC, the difficult times started to end. Small communities formed on the Greek mainland. They were independent and ruled by kings. The people of these communities called themselves Greeks. Greek farmers grew more food than they could use. Trade increased, so the Greeks needed a system of writing to record their trade. They adopted or used an alphabet from the Phoenicians. The Greek alphabet made reading and writing easier for the Greeks. Soon, bards or storytellers were writing down old stories. Until then, the stories had been told out loud. Colonies and trade. The population increased in Greece when the Dark Age ended. By 700 BC, farmers could not grow enough food for all of the people. Greek communities started to send people outside the area to form colonies. A colony is a settlement in a new territory with close ties to its homeland. Greek people started colonies along the coast of the Mediterranean Sea and the Black Sea. The colonies shipped grains, metals, timber, and enslaved people to parent cities in Greece. In return, the cities shipped wine, olive oil, and pottery to the colonies.